Hey guys, welcome to Market Minds, and in today's video of candlestick analysis we are talking about three candlestick patterns. So till now we have discussed about the two candlestick patterns, and from this series we are talking about the three candlestick patterns. And the very important and one of the favorite candlestick patterns of many price action traders, and including mine, is Morning Star and Evening Star. So without a further ado, let's get started and let's see what are we going to learn in this lecture. So today's agenda is we will understand what is Morning Star and what is Evening Star, interpretation, how to trade on this pattern. All right. So let's get started. What is Morning Star and what is Evening Star? Expectation and outcomes. Okay, a Morning Star is a visual pattern consisting of three candlesticks that are interpreted as a bullish signal by a technical analyst. A Morning Star forms following a downward trend, and it indicates the start of an upward climb. It is a sign of a reversal trend in the previous price trend. Okay, so to explain you in a very simple words, Morning Star usually comes after a downtrend. Now the market, let's assume the market is falling. Like this is a Morning Star candle, guys. So how it looks, you see the market has been continuously falling, and then there's a very big bear candle followed by an indecision candle, which you can say spinning top mostly. Okay. Once a spinning top is formed, that means the market is in indecision. You know what is the interpretation of spinning top? That means neither the bulls are interested in buying, neither the bears are interested in buying. So you wait for another confirmation. Then the very next candle, there's a very green candle, which is a bull candle. That means bears have been trying to sell the market. They could not. They're tired now. They've booked their profits. Now it's the time for bulls to buy the market from here. Again, the interpretation is simple. There's a downtrend in a Morning Star. Once the downtrend comes, keeps on going, there's a big candle. It can be Marubozu, it can be big black candle, any sort of candle, followed by any color. This can either be in green, this can either be in red, no problem. So next, followed by that, there should always be a green candle in the Morning Star, and thus follows the trend. And this indicates that the trend is over. Now the bull trend has started. Okay, so this is how it looks. So how does it look? A Morning Star is followed by a downtrend. That means it is followed by a downtrend, followed by an indecision candle. This is an indecision candle, right? This is a spinning top candle. If you haven't watched that video, guys, you should go and watch the video. I'll mention the link in the description. And followed by a big white candle or green candle, whatever you call this, but bull candle basically. So downtrend, indecision candle, then a bull candle forms a Morning Star pattern. It's a reversal pattern and it works beautifully, guys. Trust me, this works beautifully, and I'll tell you how to set up a trade on this particular patterns as well. Okay, I hope you guys have understood this. Now let's have a look on the chart. Now this is a chart of Reliance Industries, and you can see a beautiful small downtrend here, followed by 1, 2, 3 sessions of downtrend. Then there's an indecision candle. This is a doji, a pure form of doji. Dojis are also an indecision candles, as you know, but most of the time it's a trend reversal candle. So doji formed by a doji, then the green candle. This gives a beautiful confirmation saying that now, boss, the trend is over. Now my downtrend is over. Now I'm going up, and as it said, the next 3 session it went up. This is a daily candle, guys. If you haven't get mistaken, it is a daily candle. 3 downwards candle. There's a bear trend followed by a doji, then a big Marubozu followed by an upward trend. Okay, now let's have a look in another candle, which is very interesting candle, guys. You should have a look onto this. Okay, you see this is Sun Pharmaceuticals. This one chart on a daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 session it fell. There's a big candle here, bear candle, followed by an inverted hammer. Then there's a good uptrend. This is also a Morning Star, if you could see, a beautiful Morning Star, and then the uptrends follows. You see there's a small downtrend, then the uptrend follows. So Morning Star again, let's calculate a downtrend followed by an indecision candle with a long wicks, then a big fat candle of a bullish candle. It should always be an opposite color. Let's assume here it is a red color. This should be green color. Okay, and evening star is vice versa. We shall talk about evening star later on. A downtrend followed by an indecision candle, then a bull candle, and the trend continues. Now, how would you trade here, guys? Simple. You wait for the confirmation. Once you got this pattern, now you have understood that yes, this is a morning star pattern. You have to wait for this session to get closed. Do not take your entries here, but most of the risk takers will take entries and keep their SL somewhere here. But what I prefer is do not hurry or something. Just wait for the right time. Just trade here, wait for it, enter here. Once it is an higher high, enter here and wait for it. Keep an SL below this candle, that is better. Once you have kept your SL below this and wait for the candle, see 1-2 session here, it tried to fall but it has not touched your SL. See, your SL is here and it made a new high, then it made a new high. Once this has made the high, you can easily trail your stop loss here, or even it is here, it is fine. Do not trail your stop loss. Sometimes the market might, if you are not a risk taker or something, better you can trail your SL to cost now and you can just wait. And once you got this reversal pattern, I think here you should exit. I don't think so anybody should keep it here because this has given a doji, but still the market has gone up, but we may exit somewhere here, guys. That is because it has given an indecision candle, so I might exit here. Any general trader, any safe trader would exit here and make a decent amount of profits. Now let's look at evening star. The same pattern, but it is a vice versa. This pattern follows on an uptrend. Now the market is in an uptrend. 1, 2, 3, any sessions of uptrends, then a big green candle followed by an indecision candle. Again, guys, I'm telling you, this mid candle can either be red, green, any color, doesn't matter, guys. What matters is what is forming after this. So this is main. See here, first it gives a bullish trend, followed by an indecision candle, then a bearish trend follows and the market falls. An evening star is formed by is in an uptrend, forming a big bull candle, and the very next candle is an indecision candle followed by a big bear candle, indicating that the trend is now bearish. Simple, guys, do not confuse. Bulls tried to take the market as much as possible. Here bears tried to enter the market. Bulls and bears both fought the market. At last here, you know who won. Bears won the market, bulls gave up, and now the trend is completely in the hands of bears and they're taking the market downwards. Now let's have a look into the chart. You see here, this is a beautiful candle, guys. You have a look into this one. This is a very interesting candle. This is a candle. This is a chart of LIC Housing Finance day chart. Now here you see something. This is also a bearish engulfing, if you could observe it properly. Anyways, so it takes time, it takes a lot of exercise to your eyes to understand these patterns. This is also bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing plus an evening star. 1, 2, 3, 4 session ups, big candle followed by a doji, then the pattern followed and the market fell. The same entry again, you're taking your entries here, your SL is above this high and you're waiting. You took an entry here and just wait. All the candles are falling. Your exit is somewhere here. You'll not wait till here because it gave a green candle. That means you have got enough profits here. You'll exit somewhere here because the trend was upwards and downwards. Once you got a reversal pattern, better to exit there. Okay, guys. Now see here another beautiful example. A small uptrend followed by an indecision candle. Then you can see it fell. This is a chart of Infosys Limited. If you could see 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions up. If you could see here, it's a complete uptrend and then formation and then it fell. The market fell. The entry again here, you will exit somewhere here because this is an indecision candle. You will exit your positions here. Same thing followed by here, your stop loss would be above here and wait 1, 2, 3. Not a big profits, but there's a risky entry. I might say you shouldn't take because your SL is too high and you shouldn't take these kind of trends because there's also a gap down here. We will talk about gaps also in the coming further videos. We will also tell you what are gap ups, gap downs and everything. So stay tuned, guys. Also subscribe to the channel. This will help us to create a lot of content for you guys. I hope everything is clear, guys. Feel free to make an open discussion for questions. Comment down your questions and we are more than happy to help you and solve your queries, guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can always mail us to info@marketminds.com. Also do visit our website www.leo.marketminds.com, and you can also call us at 6360560767. Thank you so much, guys.